Hello guys, it's the Prince of All Miners, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make a vending machine. So far we have mutton, beef and pork. I do love me some mutton. Oh, I guess I can't afford that. I guess this is beef. I'm not gonna settle in for that. Whoa, that's a highway robbery. I guess I'm gonna have to settle in for beef. Whoa, I guess you got an extra bonus. Honestly guys, I was just messing with you. You don't really need to use any emeralds to use this as a form of payment. Time for some detailed explanation. As you see before you, all of this does not matter except for the lever, of course, because it sends a redstone signal. What you really need is something that sends a redstone signal, like a lever or a pressure plate. What you also need is a piston, preferably a sticky piston. What you also need is a redstone block. As you can see before you, you need this to grow some height, cause not all animals actually fall from a great height and not die. Guys, don't judge me, you need to kill to survive in this game. As you can see, there's a command block, something that I've left out in the list of what you need to make. I didn't fully explain how this works, but what you need to do to actually activate this is you need to insert a command to summon the animal, as you can see. Let's go ahead and build a new one. So what you're gonna need is a command block, and this is how you get it for those who don't know. If you guys have any ideas of what I should make in my next video, please do type in the comment section below. As I said before, what you're going to need to make this is some redstone and a redstone block, also a lever, I never like it when it rains on my parade. Let me just change the weather for a second. To save us some time, let me just skip ahead this construction.
If you are watching this, you are A viewer, one that watches videos but don't bother subscribing, or B subscriber, one that subscribes to your channel and shows some support. Be a B and not an A.
That was a word from our sponsors. As you can see, the levitation effect works. Now you should place 3 blocks right next to the redstone. Take note of this. You should cover all ends except from where it's supposed to come out from. That way it doesn't stick out or freeze right next to the block and not fall down. The decorations are up to you, it's your choice. After building this first, you will be able to decorate it in any manner, just like what I did. This time I'm going to be showing you how to insert the pig. Ta-da! It works. Let's just do it again to prove that it works. Leave a comment in the section below if you have any idea of what I should make in my next video, or if you have anything you'd like to say about this video. Again, it starts raining on my parade.